Sammy, what's wrong?
Good macaroons, Sue. It's awful. It's really awful.
Well, I only see the mess you've made in the room, and it's awful.
You don't get it! Today is the day of love in Tibidabo.
And?
We have no symbols of love. How will we celebrate it? Hey!
Sammy, calm down and explain what kind of symbol you need.
Something in the shape of a heart, and it should last for a long time.
Yeah, so heart-shaped cookies or a cake won't do.
What should we do? What should we do?
Sammy, don't panic. I have an idea. We'll make a heart-shaped box. It's not a cake, so it will last for more than a week.
Holy cannoli, that's great. Let's go!
Hi guys, today we're going to make a heart-shaped box. Sammy will love it. It's the day of love after all.
Sue, I almost forgot. Everybody should wear special hats on the day of love.
Will any of the ones I already have work? I hope so, because I'm not gonna buy a new one. Can you tell me more about this celebration? Does it have anything in common with Valentine's Day?
It is connected with Aphrodite, but in Tibidabo, she appeared from the sky, not the ocean.
Goddess of love, of course. Well, I suppose she wore something pink too. That's why you like that day, am I right?
How did you know that, Sue? Yes, her tunic was pink and she had a pink ribbon.
Oh, you. I suppose the ribbon was over her head, not all over her body, so take it off.
Sue, I need your help here. Oh, nice. And she always gave everyone a special crown. Wait a bit, I'll go bring one.
I'm afraid to imagine what I have to wear today. Sammy knows some strange traditions.
I've made the crown for myself. Do you want me to make the same for you?
Not now, maybe later. I'm busy making the box and I should completely focus on that.
Good macaroons! Don't forget the box consists of 2 parts. Do you know the right color for them?
Yeah, here we have the main part of the box. And I think it will be purple.
Sue, look at what I have. Hey, it's mine, not yours. I won't give it.
But first of all, we should strengthen the sides of the box with the help of this tape.
Holy cannoli, that was my tape. Give it back.
You're so greedy.
Now I'll definitely make what I need.
So, our box is ready for the next step. Sammy, can you help me?
Sue, it's awful. I wanted to make a heart out of the tape, but I failed. I need to distract myself.
So I guess he won't help me. All right, I can color everything by myself. Now let's color the bottom part.
Ooh, looking good. But Sue, why is the box empty? Where are all the Valentines cards?
The cards? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just making the box. What do you want to add? Bring it here and I'll put it inside.
I knew I would have to do everything by myself. There is no day of love without the cards.
I completely trust you. Make whatever you want. And I'll add a piece of purple paper to the box side. While you're making the cards, I will transform this boring cardboard into a beautiful box.
Check it out, Sue. I've made enough Valentine's cards to send to everybody.
Great, but maybe you should write something for every addressee, like some wishes or invitations to the Love Day party. I'm sure they'll be happy. And I'm hiding the cardboard under the purple paper.
Uh-huh. And luck. Do you need my help? After writing all the wishes down, I'll be all yours.
Thank you, Sammy. I'll definitely need your help in the next stage.
Oh, I see. You did a great job. It'll be the best heart-shaped box ever.
The main part of the box is done. Now it's time for the lid.
My cards are done too. Who will be Aphrodite?
Sammy, slow down. The box, the cards, now Aphrodite? I can't focus.
Just continue with the box. My mermaid will be Aphrodite.
All right, we need a frame for the lid. But why did you choose your mermaid and not me?
Aphrodite's too hard. You need to stand in one place without moving.
Sounds like Aphrodite is a statue, so why did you put her inside the box?
I don't want her to run away, and I want to draw you as Aphrodite.
Thanks. In the meantime, I'll cut the frame out of cardboard. Later, it'll be purple too.
All right, I've prepared everything. Don't move, please.
But I'm working, Sammy. Speaking of the Day of Love, how should we celebrate it? I know about birthdays, Christmas, Easter. So, should we paint some eggs or bring a tree home? Or hide gifts in the attic, maybe?
Hide the gifts? I never thought of that. We should do that and then watch Roger look for them.
Okay, but first, we need to finish some kind of decoration for our frame.
Oh, my feta! I've ruined my drawing!
Calm down, Sammy. I'm sure you didn't ruin anything. Check out this beautiful frame I've made. If you want, I'll help you later. But now, our box lid needs a couple of hearts cut out of colored paper.
Shiver me chitters! Check this out, Sue! I should redo it!
Sammy, if you need a picture, you can take a finished one. Don't you have any?
Yeah, for example, this one! A couple, the most appropriate for the day.
Great. I'll look at it later, after I cut out the frames for the lid.
Oh, my feta! I totally forgot about one of the most important symbols! Here it is! No Day of Love in Tibidabo can do without flowers. For flowers are life, and life is love.
Wow, that's wise. But give me a second. I have an idea. Just let me finish with the lid.
What idea, Sue? Tell me! I want to know it right now!
Sammy, you are always in such a hurry. Take a deep breath and look at this heart.
Right. It's so beautiful and fits the Day of Love perfectly.
And I think you should bring over more flowers to decorate everything.
Oh, my feta! Sue, you're so right. I'll be right back.
Our box lid can easily become more pretty, so let's add several things to it.
I'm sure it'll last for a long time.
Sammy, you're right. But in my opinion, it's a bit too plain. I'm sure you can make a better one in no time.
You're right. That one didn't fit inside the box anyway. I'll make one that's smaller and much more beautiful.
That's right. Our box is for the most beautiful things, just as this lid is. Oh, look at this, guys.
Okay, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
I can go nowhere until I finish. Of course, I'll wait for you.
Here I am! I've taken enough pieces of colored paper, so let's get started.
Wow, Sammy, you took it seriously. I'm sure this time your flower will be the best one. What else should be done?
Decorations! We should decorate the room for the party!
What exactly? Trees, garlands, balloons, flags, a snowman, Spider-Man?
What? Snowman? Spider-Man? Are you alright?
I am. I checked my temperature in the morning. Just kidding. Your flowers are quite good. Let's put them inside the box. It'll keep the flowers safe.
Okay, I need 2 more flowers. I'm the best crafter and I'll manage.
I believe in you, Sammy. You can do anything. And my responsibility is this box. Let's proceed.
I'd do anything for you by the mozzarella. All paper flowers are for you!
Thank you, Sammy. You know, I think I like the Day of Love. Otherwise, you wouldn't make flowers for me.
Why? You should have just asked me to make what you want.
You're a real chevalier, Sammy. The best of all the slimes. And I have finished with the box. Do you like the result? Let's close it like this.
Yeah, I love it! It's the best symbol for the Day of Love. Hail Tibidabo!
Wait, we should hide these seams. Do you have any ideas?
Take this ribbon! I think it fits the box perfectly, at least because of its color.
Thanks, Sam. This ribbon is really good.
Sue, all the flowers should be kept inside the box. Shiver me cheddars!
I agree. But can you please get them out of the box for now?
Fine, then I'll go start preparing everything for the party.
Oh, that's interesting. What are you gonna do? Besides buying a disco ball, of course.
For example, I should add this ribbon to Aphrodite's outfit, but I got tangled again. Ugh.
And done! The heart-shaped box as a symbol of the Day of Love is finished.
That's awesome, but I'm still tangled here.
Now we can keep some little things in here. For example, our Sammy.
Sue, that's not funny. Get me out of here.
At least you're not tangled anymore. Oh,
That was a cool prank, Sue.
now I'm thinking that this could become a cute jewelry box. Do you agree, guys? Guys, we can keep so many things in here. Jewelry and some sweets.
And don't forget about my flowers. The box is so useful.
I still think we've missed something. But I already know how to amend it.
I don't know what you're talking about. I think it's time for the party. Whoopsie.
Sammy, what is it? Check it out. I made a drawing. Do you recognize him?
It's me. Thank you, Sue. You are my best friend ever. And I know what else should be added here. Just give me a second.
Okay, I can't get enough of this. It's just like a treasure chest.
Check this out. Now this is complete. And after our box, it is the best symbol of the Day of Love.
Agreed. Guys, what do you think? Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bibbidi, bobbidi, subscribidi. See ya.